Hey guys, welcome to my channel and my name is Gurjot. I hope you are doing well. So if you are looking forward to apply for your PR through TR to PR program and you do not have your PCC yet, I'm sure you are stressed, you are worried how to get your PCC done, how long it's gonna take. It might take longer and you might miss the opportunity to apply through TR to PR program. So what should you do now? So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can apply for your PCC and get it done in a few days. Once you have your PCC, you will be ready to submit your application as soon as the program opens. So without any further delay, let's get started. So let's begin with what is PCC and when do you need it? So PCC stands for Police Clearance Certificate. This document is used to confirm whether you have any criminal history or not. For Canadian immigration, the government wants to make sure that you do not have any serious criminal charges against you. They want to confirm that whether as an applicant you are admissible in Canada or not. If a person has serious criminal charges against them, their PR application might get refused. Now, this document is issued by local police authorities or government authorities in a particular country. Now, when do you need it? If you have stayed in a particular country for more than 6 months, you need to get a police clearance certificate from that country. For example, if you were living in Canada since your birth and also you have lived for 2 to 3 years for your education in Canada, you might need police clearance certificate from both the countries. Talking about the Canadian PCC is not a must for your PR, but many immigration officers do ask for it. So in my opinion, it's always better to be ready with your documents, to be ready with your Canadian PCC, because it's not even that costly. It doesn't take that much time and effort. So for Canadian PCC, you just need to take an appointment with RCMP office closer to your place. On the scheduled time, on the scheduled date, you need to visit the RCMP office with your IDs, with your valid permits, and they will do it for you. Within a few days, max 2 weeks, you will receive your Canadian PCC at the mentioned address. Moving on to police clearance certificate from outside Canada. Now, this is the main task. This is the main thing. Getting a police clearance certificate from outside Canada. Let's suppose you were living in India from your birth. Since your birth, you have been living in India. So you need to provide a police clearance certificate from India. That is non-negotiable, that is mandatory. You have to submit your police clearance certificate. Now, it's even mentioned on the IRCC website that you can apply for your police clearance certificate in 4 ways. First is your local police station. Second is the passport office. Third is Indian embassy or consulate. And fourth is BLS International Center. Now, before I move ahead, let me show you what's mentioned on official IRCC website. So over here, you can see how you can get a police certificate. You can even get the information that is specific to your country. So in order to check how you can get a PCC from India, I'm going to enter India here and then we are going to continue. As I have shown you earlier, to get a PCC from India, there are 4 ways. First is your local police station, then passport office, then Indian embassy or consulate, and finally you have BLS International Services. So what basically happens is, do not get into what others are saying, what are the rumors, what are the assumptions. Just take the information that is there on the official website. So almost everyone opts for BLS International Services to get their police clearance certificate. Getting it done from BLS can actually take a lot of time. It might take a month or so. And since we do not have that much time, the fastest way to get your police clearance certificate done is through your local police station in your previous country. That is the fastest way to get your police clearance done. If you are getting your police clearance certificate from a local station, you might get it in a few days, maximum a week. That is the maximum time it might take to get a police clearance certificate done from your local police station. Now, how you can apply for your police clearance certificate from a local police station, let's have a look at that. Now, when applying for your police clearance certificate from a local police station, your family member needs to do it on your behalf since you are present in Canada. So one of your family member needs to go to a local police station and request them to apply for a police clearance certificate on your behalf. Usually these days they do have a form. You need to fill up that form, attach your picture, fill in all your information, your name, your date of birth, passport number, how long you have been in Canada, how long you were in India, have you traveled somewhere else, your travel history. So everything is mentioned on that form. So you can fill up that form, scan it, and send it back to your family member, who are going to submit it to the local police station along with a copy of your passport. Once they submit it, the police authority is going to take a few days and they will give you the police clearance certificate directly. So your family member is going to receive it directly on your behalf. Again, you can scan it and you can use it because you are only going to need a soft copy. So this is the fastest way you can apply for your police clearance certificate. So a lot of people are confused, they have doubts, they are doubtful whether this format is accepted by IRCC or not, because definitely there is a difference in the report that is created by the local police station, and when you apply it through BLS, there is a difference in the format. So don't be confused about it. Whatever the format is, the crux of the story is the same. That is your criminal record check, that is your police clearance certificate. So it doesn't really matter what the format is, but what matters is that you have your criminal history done in time. So it is acceptable by IRCC, it is acceptable for your PR. Even I got my PCC done through this process, and not once, I got it done twice, and it is acceptable. The proof is here in front of you. Another important thing to remember is that if you have been living in more than one country for more than 6 months, you need to get your police clearance done from all those countries. Even in case you are visiting your own country, your birthplace, let's suppose you are visiting India for 15 days, you do not need a new PCC. But let's suppose if you are visiting India for more than 6 months, if you have stayed there, you do need a new PCC in that case. Some countries do have an expiry date on their police clearance certificates, while some countries do not have it. So make sure you always check for expiry date as well. If your country provides a PCC with an expiry date, make sure it's not expired. So yeah, that was about it. That's the fastest way you can apply for a police clearance certificate from a particular country. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any further questions, please comment below and I'll be happy to help you. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.